Amazon, the Retail Behemoth by Jared Armour. Mastering, mastering the strategy. Amazon uses a very basic business model. Amazon uses a top-down approach with this company. It consists of a CEO, which is also the owner, the CFO, COO, and so forth. This style of management has been in effect since the company's inception in 1994. Nothing has changed as far as the type of management that is being used. Amazon's vision is to be Earth's most customer centric company, to build a place where people can come to find and discover anything they might want to buy as a collection. As far as performance, Amazon has been pretty consistent with their performance. Revenue and growth for the company continues to pour in as Amazon are constantly expanding or is constantly expanding. Jeff Bezos is the CEO of Amazon, and as far as what type of CEO he is, he comes off as the hidden gem CEO, as he is not as famous as Bill Gates or Steve Jobs, but he has created an empire that is dominating the online retail industry. The external environment. Amazon in general is a competitive environment where merchants can exercise the option of selling their merchandise on Amazon as an alternate to what is offered. This often creates opportunities for all parties involved. Amazon usage of big data is a derivative of the pestle analysis. Amazon often compete and cooperate with the retailers in the industry. So as far as being involved in a strategic group, Amazon often helps create barriers for companies and their rivals alike. As far as resources, Amazon purchases products and store them in various locations throughout the world. Therefore, only limited things such as custom-made items are sold on their websites, and sometimes as a one-time only deal. Just like other companies, Amazon take intellectual property over their own products and services with patents, trademarks, and copyrights. Value chain wise, Amazon's investments into technology has developed plenty of partnerships which result in the best value chain. And as far as Amazon using the SWOT analysis, they often use it as a method to improving their own products. Business level strategies. Depending on how customers perceive it, Amazon is not necessarily a cost leader with some products. To an extent, they do not offer they do offer products cheaper than most retailers. They don't really differentiate to a regular customer, but they offer programs for a premium price, such as free 2-day shipping is a huge benefit for most customers online or for most consumers of the retail environment online. Altogether, Amazon is a focused cost leader, and with differentiation being a another strategy which they deploy to increase their base customers. With those combined, this brings to Amazon having a best cost strategy. As far as being stuck in the middle, I highly doubt Amazon will ever be stuck in their position due to the fact that they are constantly growing and expanding their empire. In order to be competitive, Amazon enters the most popular markets such as creating tablets, applications, and etc. etc. which they choose to curate on their own and sell exclusively on their websites. This ties into making competitive moves along with responding to other competitors. What, what is much more surprising, Amazon also sells their competitive products via co-opetition. International market competitions. One of the biggest advantages Amazon has is their quick response to international business. Amazon is available nearly all over the world and have offices and warehouses located in various locations to fit the customer's needs in every region. With this in mind, the strategy that Amazon focuses on will be considered global. This means that Amazon's primary focus is to give their customers the same product regardless where they are at. Corporate level strategies. Amazon uses a short variety of concentration strategies. They use market penetration, market development, product development to promote their own line of products, such as their Kindles and their applications. Since its existence, Amazon only used diversification recently. The newest case is when CEO Jeff Bezos purchased the Washington Post in 2013, which is clearly an example of unrelated diversification. Amazon, as we know, runs off in the division of labor structure. This structure is that of a vertical linkage, which in return follows the unity of command. The organization as a whole is arranged in a functional structure, and on the global aspect, it uses the multi-divisional structure. Amazon's organizational control is a major part of how they are measured. They use in combination of output and behavioral control to gauge where the company needs to go. As far as a legal form of business, Amazon is a sole proprietorship company, which is only owned by one person, which is the CEO, Jeff Bezos.